What's up everyone, welcome back to another video with the Millennial Finance. Lots of people have been talking about this new NFT called Stepn recently. With the beta only being launched at the end of last year, their growth has been phenomenal ever since then. Especially in the last few weeks or month, many new users have onboarded onto this NFT, including myself. Recently, I finally decided to cave in to my FOMO and got involved. So, today, I'll be sharing what exactly Stepn is and how you can start. Cha-ching! So first of all, what is Stepn? Well, Stepn is the first ever move-to-earn NFT game that has been launched in this space. Some of you may be aware of play-to-earn games like Axie, which has been incredibly successful and popular. Initially, most people thought that play-to-earn games would be the norm in an NFT space, and many projects actually tried to copy Axie to replicate the success. However, the NFT space moves fast and people are constantly innovating. Instead of playing games at home, Stepn came up with a good idea. What if we allowed people to earn money by walking outside? So how does this all work? Well, first of all, Stepn has 4 different kinds of shoes that lets you walk or run at different speeds according to your preference. For example, there's a walker that you would have to walk between 1 to 6 kilometers per hour, and then on the higher end of the spectrum, there is a runner that allows you to run between 8 to 20 kilometers per hour. Of course, the runner does give you the most amount of money because it is the most challenging one to do every single day. I won't share the exact details of how much these shoes can earn because there's a lot of variety and it really depends on what shoe you end up buying. Anyway, to be involved, you'll have to buy the Stepn shoe, which is in the form of an NFT. You can do this on the Stepn app, which you'll have to download to participate. Every day, you will get 2 of this thing that they call energy, which translates into about 10 minutes of walking and earning money. If you manage to stay within the speed range of the shoe that you chose, so for example, if you chose a walker, you have to walk the full 10 minutes at the pace of 1 to 6 kilometers per hour. And if you manage to do this, you will get rewarded in the form of GST tokens, which is Stepn's own token, which you can then convert into Solana or USDC. The way they know how fast you're walking or if you're actually walking is that they utilize your phone's GPS, similar to how Apple's health product works. So other than just the type of shoe that you decide to buy, there are also a few other different attributes like efficiency and resiliency that will at the end of the day determine how much GST you can earn. The more shoes you earn, the more energy that you can have every single day, which will mean that you can then walk for more than 10 minutes and still earn money. The big question is all of this sustainable? And my short answer is, I have no idea. The entire project fully depends on the price of the GST token, so it's very important that they can make sure that the price stabilizes or better yet, goes up. Recently, the price of the GST token has mooned, which obviously is good for holders. But how can Stepn maintain the price of GST? Well, first of all, every time you decide to go for a walk, at the end of it, you'll have to repair your shoes, which you'll then have to pay some GST, and this translates to roughly 20% of your daily earnings. You also have to pay GST to Stepn every time you want to level up your shoe and get better stats, if you want to mint new shoes, and a few other stuff as well. Stepn also obviously gets money from people minting new shoes, so they collect money there, and they also have a few fees on the app whenever you buy and sell, whenever you trade GST to Solana or USDC, and a few other things which gives them income, and in return they use this income to boost the price of GST. In my honest opinion, the current state of Stepn won't be sustainable for a long time, and the team will really have to figure out new utility for the token. Anyway, let's get to my personal experience so far. So I bought in about a week ago and decided to buy 2 shoes for the price of 14.5 Solana each. Currently, I'm actually earning around $60 per shoe per day, which is around 250 ringgit. I know, this is a crazy amount of money, but when you think about it, my initial investment was 6,500 ringgit per shoe or $1,500, and for my 2 shoes, I paid around 13,000 ringgit. Yes, most of the times, if it's too good to be true, then it's probably a scam, and this one kind of feels like it's too good to be true. So, I'm saying that it's too good to be true, and earlier I also said that it may not be super sustainable long term. Why did I buy in? Well, if you do the math, at current prices of GST, I can actually get my initial capital back within 27 days of walking. To be fair, when I initially bought the shoe at 14.5 Solana, the GST token price was a bit lower, which means that my payback period was actually around 40 days. But because the price of GST went up since then, my payback period is now shorter. If you want to buy it now, the prices of the shoe is definitely higher than what I paid before, and in my opinion, the price of the shoe will always follow the price of GST. So, because the payback period was kinda short, to me 40 days isn't too bad. I thought that it was worth the gamble and the risk reward at that point was really good. I mean, all Stepn had to do was to sustain just another 40 days for me to get my money back, and then everything else I thought was free money, which is a good deal for me. In my opinion, it's not a terrible time to start, even though the price has gone up a bit and some of my friends have actually just bought it in the last few days. So if you've listened to me talk this whole video and you're sold, here's how you can start. First of all, you'll need some Solana because this entire NFT is based on the Solana blockchain and you'll need Solana to buy the Stepn NFT. If you haven't got any Solana yet, then you can buy some from Huobi, and if you don't have a Huobi account, you can sign up with our link down in the description below and you'll get 5% off your trading fees. So after you've got your Solana, you'll have to download the Stepn app that's available on both iOS and Android. When you first open the app, you'll have to give an activation code. So this is where you need to go into their Discord, which you can find on their Twitter or their website, and you need to try to get the activation code, which you then put in, which will then give you access to the app. From there, you'll have to create a Solana wallet on the Stepn app, and you'll then transfer your Solana from Huobi to that wallet. If you don't know how to do this, if you don't know how to transfer crypto from an exchange to a wallet, then you should check out some of our videos because we've already talked about that. Even if it's not for NFTs, I do recommend moving your crypto out of exchanges because if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. Anyway, back to the point, once you get Solana in, you've got the app all set up, just choose a shoe that you like and buy it off the marketplace. If you're not sure which shoe to buy, then feel free to drop us a DM on Instagram and I'll be happy to help you. From here, just make sure that you start walking every day because, ever since I got the shoe, every day that I think of skipping, I think that I'm missing out on 200 ringgit. Also, you want to get your money back as fast as possible so that you can cover your costs and then everything from there onwards is free. In my mind, not only is this helping me earn some extra money, it's also keeping me healthy because like I said, I don't dare to miss even a single day of walking my 10 minutes because if I do, then that's technically $60 down the drain. As I've been saying in my past videos, the world of NFTs have gotten very interesting and Stepn is a new innovative product in the market. The only reason I felt so comfortable entering despite the high initial price was because I'm already familiar with how NFTs work and specifically the Solana NFT market. Even if this investment doesn't end up being the right one for you, make sure you at least start exploring NFTs so that the next time something like this comes up, you'll know exactly what to do. I hope you guys start walking, earning some money, and at the same time learning about the NFT ecosystem all at the same time. Thanks for watching this video to the end, guys. I hope you guys find this helpful. Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.